Hi, this is Mike Sheehan, and you wanted to know the difference between term and whole life. Real quick, term insurance is, as the name implies, it's for a period of time. It's for a term. The most common term insurance that I see my clients asking for online here is the 20-year term, which what that means is that policy is going to stay in force for 20 years. So the premium that you start with on day one and the coverage that you start with on day one is going to maintain and stay the same. The problem with the term insurance is at the end of the 20 years because something's going to happen. You're going to have to make a decision of some kind because the contract is going to be up. So the policy is either going to end, so now you don't have any insurance at all, or if you want to continue that coverage, the premium is going to take a huge increase because you're 20 years older. All right, so there's going to have to be some choices made at that point. Some of those choices are going to be made for you. Now, whole life, on the other hand, and if structured correctly, and that's very key here, will last your whole life. So the premium that you're starting to pay on day one and the coverage that you're going to start, that you've qualified for, the policies put in force for, will maintain and stay the same for your whole life. So let's just use that term example. At the end of 20 years, on a whole life policy, it's just going to be business as usual. Nothing's going to change. No decisions are made. That policy is just going to continue. And what you're going to have at the back end on a whole life policy, again, is continued coverage. You know, you may never touch it. That policy could be enforced 30, 40 years. You pass away, your beneficiary is going to get the death benefit of that policy. But you also have some other benefits along the way that you might take advantage of because with a whole life policy, you're accumulating some cash. You're accumulating kind of a side bucket. And what's neat about that is that money that's accumulating is being credited interest from the insurance company. So it can grow pretty considerably depending on the premium. And there's a couple of different things that you can do with the cash on the whole life policy, but I won't go into those now. So I just wanted to kind of give you kind of a high level between the two. So in review, term insurance, less expensive on the front end, but you got some issues and some decisions to make on the back end. Whole life, it's going to be more expensive, you know, kind of comparing apples to apples, but you got a lot more positive benefits on the back end. So really, you got to see what's going to work best for you. And what I suggest is go underneath my name there, and you'll see www.withlifetimeprotection.com, or just go underneath this video and click it. Click the link that says withlifetimeprotection.com, and that's going to take you to my website. When you get there, in the upper right-hand corner, put your name, your email, and your phone number in, and click Get a Quote. That's going to come back to us, and then we'll reach back out to you and have a conversation. Again, all this is over the phone, and we can determine what's going to work out best for you and look what we can do to earn your business. So again, go to the link below on the left. It's going to take you to the website. Once you get to the website, in the upper right, put in your name, your phone number, your email address, click Get a Quote. And until we talk again, which I hope is real soon, hey, make it a great day.